What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera crashing issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the camera app, then tap on this information icon and then scroll down, and here tap on force stop option on the bottom left corner. Now tap on OK, and after force stopping the camera app, the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the camera app. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is tap and hold on the camera app again, tap on this information icon, and this time go to the storage of camera. Now clear the cache memory of camera app. So to clear cache memory, tap on this option here, then select clear cache, and after that tap on OK from the pop-up to confirm. And when you will clear the cache memory of your camera app, the crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera crashing issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.